But where are the military? That's what I want. I want to see them.
Hallo, ciao.
Hallo,
Gehen wir jetzt nach Liechtenstein. Hey,
bye bye, tschüss.
Salamin, salamin sa dingding na sana pag-iibig.
Ano yung ATV na yun? What's that ATV? Is there regular car there? Or it's like a tour or activity, or they have it in their house? The big broom broom.
It's just like a bike.
Yeah.
He wants to bike around.
But they want the big wheels only.
Yeah.
Oh.
And sometimes they, of course, it has also areas where they can go off-road, which
Wow.
is made for them.
Ah, ito yung mga wine dito. Oh. No. Ay, the bird oh. Yung bird oh. Ay, no bird. What's that bird?
I think this is a Mäusebussard. I'm not sure. So good seeing. But here they built balays where no one is, of course, allowed to live inside. They are
No one is allowed?
Yeah, because they are practicing commando, storming the balay. You know, the military. Here.
Like these
They're
houses
behind-
there
I think they're
are not
behind
real
us.
house?
Yeah, they are a ghost town.
Dyan,
It's
yung bahay
happening
dyan.
something in our villages. So it's like a simulator for them there. You see that are not real.
But where are the military? That's what I want.
Already here.
I want to see them. I want to hug them. Like what? No meet and greet with them. Why they're not showing up? And where are they? They're not walking here.
We are allowed to drive through here, but not go too close. And I mean, of course we are allowed, but they will just tell us sorry, but this is military area.
Yes.
Oh, there.
Ayan na siya, oh. Wag na, no.
I will talk to you. Hallo, ciao.
Hallo,
Gehen wir
ciao.
jetzt nach Liechtenstein. Langsam then. Ik heb hier een art wie een village. For exercise, ne? Ah, cool. Ah, dat is daar vorne, cool. Lässig. Hey, kein
Bye bye,
Problem.
tschüss.
Salamin, salamin sa dingding na sana pag-iibig.
Kamerad.
Pogi!
Because they...
Nami-mental block ako pag nakakita ko ng Pogi Hero.
Thank you, kamerad! They sometimes do like, especially the Germans. You know, these are not real. They are just for exercise. They can exercise how it is if they have to protect the village. More in...
Wait, there are flag of Liechtenstein already here.
Yeah, we are already here. Don't worry. Here is the border.
Is Liechtenstein na to?
It's an open border, of course. They
Wow.
have also Swiss francs.
Sa ibang bansa na tayo.
They don't have their own money. They are actually part of Switzerland, kind of.
Okay.
I mean, they are their own country, but they are using Swiss francs.
And euros also, syempre.
They are also talking with Swiss German. So a lot of perhaps Swiss people hide their money here also.
Wow, so pupunta po tayo ngayon sa... andito na pala tayo. This is Liechtenstein already?
Yes, this is Liechtenstein.
It's like just a different city, but it's a different country.
Yeah, exactly.
Technically, it's like a different... Technically, it's a different country, but it looks like just a different city.
It's very a quiet place, even more quiet
Than library.
than Switzerland. Yeah.
Than the library, because there's no people here.
No, just one thing, Liechtenstein is incredible, quiet and boring, kind of.
If anybody's watching here from Liechtenstein, please comment down below and tell us if we are wrong or if we are right that this is a very boring country with no one.
Boring, it's just quiet.
Oh,
It's just quiet.
it was recorded, Miro. You said boring. Just kidding.
We just thought you have
yeah.
a good view from there. From this castle, we go up.
No.
Little exercise. Yeah, I'm also thinking.
Kerry? Okay, go.
Kerry? Okay. Miss, we can also do it like this, Francis. Let me go quick to the church. To this church, sorry, to the castle. And then after we can still stop somewhere.
I can only hear the
Yeah.
for the water or the grass
Oh.
or insecticide. So, andito tayo guys, sa harap ng simbahan nila, oh. Tingnan nyo, Catholic Church yan. Ang ganda, di ba? Sobrang, parang medieval yung itsura niya. Wow.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you?
So then we say like, oh yeah.
And tell them that I am the witch. So, pupunta tayo dito, be, sa tuktok sa castle na ito. Taray. So, dito tayo guys ngayon sa Liechtenstein, ha. So, ito mga nakikita nyo dito, mga taniman to ng wine. Oo. Kasi from this side of Europe, mahilig sila sa wine. Diba? Tsaka yung Liechtenstein, be, sobrang liit lang niya. Yung salita nila dito, German, Swiss German. And maski pera ginagamit nila, kapara lang din sa Switzerland. Grabe, wala katao-tao. Totoo. It's for the poop of the dog, no? Yeah. Ito guys, yung plastic para sa poop ng aso. Yeah.
You pick it up after he poops.
So when the dog poops, it's what they use para kunin yung pupo. Ito ba, ang very Europe talaga, mga bulaklak. So, maghihintay na lang po muna yung misis niya dito sa baba. So, akin lang muna yung inaanak ko.
She's wearing high heels.
Yeah.
Ninong.
So, akit muna kami sa taas, guys. Para makita yung 360 view ng lugar. Right?
Yeah. I think you will see a big amount of the area. Yeah, of course.
What's that?
A very good.
Okay.
A very good.
Very good. Okay. Wow.
360.
Yes. Yung weather ngayon is like very much Tagaytay.
Oh yeah.
Kung nagtatanong kayo, yeah. It's not very cold, it's hot with like light breeze.
Oh.
Yeah. So we will go up. We will give you some chit chat about the area when we get there. For now, we will catch our breath and focus on walking. All right. It's hard to walk and climb there. Okay.
Especially.
I'm losing my breath.
One more curve.
Wait.
Dalawa more curves.
Sabi ko, ang hanap ko yung may gwapo. Dinala ko nila Miro, so walang tao. There's no tao.
Now here, sadly, not so much.
Yeah.
Yes, in this small country.
Very small.
It's
What, 2
very
inches?
quiet.
Ay, 3 inches. Saan mo ko dadalhin? Ayun yung castle. Miro, ano to? Hindi naman to pelikula ng Pangako Sa'yo. Para tayo dito. Nasa Pangako Sa'yo, tatakbo sa damuhan.
Before it was like a big frame.
Of?
You would stand in it and you look like a picture of you would be put here, you know.
So from this view, that is Switzerland?
Already Switzerland, yeah. You see there the Sarganser castle?
Uh-huh.
That's why they built these castles a little bit higher, so they could signalize in the past to each other. They light the fire, and then the other knows, hey, enemy is coming or something. Depends on what kind of signal they give.
Kaya pala yung mga castle sa Europe, it's on above higher places, no?
Yes, always. Mostly. Sometimes even higher.
And there? Ay, that's sky pala.
Somewhere up built.
Yesterday was for the breast, for the chest and the back.
That was their toilet. The toilet is just on the wall.
Like the holes only?
No, yes, you need to
It's
imagine
toilet?
it like this. That in the castle you enter like a small little room, which is just a hole there and a wood to sit, and then just poop on it. But I'm not so sure if they did it here. Just a lot.
Yeah, all I know.
Dirty times.
Yeah, it's so dirty. Like the problem for them is there's no proper they poops everywhere.
Yes.
No proper toothbrush. All of the kids doesn't have teeth.
Yeah, no.
They don't have hair because of they have kuto, lices, sticks, whatever.
Even in Paris, no, perhaps. Just for example, the royals there in their beautiful big castles, they poop in the edge.
Yeah, that's true.
It's crazy.
That's true.
It's,
I was there.
Pangit.
I remember it 100 years ago.
Nice.
So ito na guys, we're going to enter now the castle. This is a castle here in Liechtenstein. An old castle. Wow. This was built in the 7,000th century.
6,000 years ago, I guess.
Yeah, it's 7th century. 12th century.
12th, somewhere they start. Then after then, they built.
Oh, that's how they buried people before. Oh.
As well.
Wait, I want to have a picture with the flag.
Oh, sure, of course. Yeah, I think it's closed. It's can't enter right now. Yeah.
Wow.
No, it looks not.
It's locked. It's locked.
Yeah, there is nothing.
It's all closed.
Right now.
Oh, they have swimming pool, oh. Ay, swimming pool ba yun? Hindi pala. Court pala siya. Oh.
I guess somewhere there, far. On the mountain there is that Vaduz, now you see that? Somewhere there, the prince and the princess are living.
There.
Yeah, I think they're seeing there.
There. Yeah.
I'm very sure.
Yeah.
There,
Just imagine, no, like the system before, like this is the castle, it's near the church. The influence of church with the castle, really, no?
Huge. They were the ones who ruled, that's it.
Yeah.
And Balais did not look like this in the past. Of course, they were like simple,
Very much simple.
hay and wood built something, you know. The poor and the rich. Big difference in the past, of course.
Now they're all rich.
Now they're all rich. Kind of.
So,
Which is not German.
oh my God, ang lilit ng mga palaka. Ayan, oh. Wow. So cute. Grabe. It's small as my nail. Where is it now? Ang liliit. Grabe, ang cute.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So ngayon Bea, dito naman kami back to the car dahil napunta naman kami sa capital ito, di ba? Vaduz is it the capital of Liechtenstein?
I don't know, honestly. I think yes.
Yeah.
I don't know so much about the history.
Kung hindi,
Sadly.
eto po kung hindi kung hindi po ito yung capital ng Liechtenstein, eto pala siya, oh. Nag-google ni Francis na nag-edit. Francis nag-edit, ano yung capital ng Liechtenstein? Ayan. Oh, so dito tayo sa kanilang capital at nagde-drive para makita yung kaharian ng kanilang prince and princess. Ay, tama, prince and princess. Oo, kasi yung in German, FL yung ano ng Liechtenstein, which means, what's the FL again, Miro?
Fürstentum Liechtenstein.
It's called Fürstentum Liechtenstein. Kung mali ako at nagmamarunong kayo, please comment down below. Patunayan yung marunong kayo talaga. O, ang ganda ng ano, simbahan, simbahan ba yan? Simbahan, may krus. Panay ko sa, baka iglesia, may iglesia ba dito ni Cristo?
This is kind of a center of the navy.
This is the center.
Yes.
Miro, are there any other culture here? Yes. I mean religion, culture. Liechtenstein
I
as
think it will be the same like in Switzerland.
Okay.
Catholics,
Reformist, yeah.
And,
Ang ganda ng flag nila, no? Blue and red. Parang Philippine flag nung nakita ko nung umpisa.
a little bit, yeah.
Right.
A little bit Pinoyish, yeah. Yeah, I think here
Yeah,
is-
because we influenced them, actually. That's...
No, of course.
Uy, grabe. Dati pinapanood ko lang sa YouTube to. I think I need to validate this, Francis, on editing. Francis na nag-edit, paki-validate. Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, the train transportation here in Liechtenstein is free. Because people doesn't want to use it. And the government are pushing people to use it. Ito na po yung bahay ng king and queen, ay ng princess and prince.
Because it's very traffic.
Okay.
Like it's traffic driving. We are allowed to drive.
Wow, ito na po yung kaharian ng prince and princess dito. They're renovating it. Wow. At sobrang dami ng camera, guys.
This is protected area.
Wow. Daming camera na nakasuot, private property. No trespassing.
Now you can even show them.
Wow. Bye-bye, Liechtenstein! Pag lumabas na po tayo sa flag, sabihin na sa Switzerland. Switzerland! Bye-bye! Dito na kami sa loob. Again, Switzerland. Bye-bye, Liechtenstein. Thank you for the trip. Grabe, umihi lang kami sa Liechtenstein. 3 kendeng lang. Tapos na agad. Grabe. What a very small country. Grabe. So ayan guys, dito kami ngayon, kumakain naman kami guys ng aming dinner. And after neto, magpapahinga na kami. Flex ko na yung hikaw ko kasi for today's video. Ayan, nag-inom muna kayo ng Aperol Spritz and medyo maya-maya medyo lasing-lasing na tong kasama ko. Hindi pa ako, pero itong kasama ko ako. Yung asawa niya ngayon nag-CR lang. So, kain tayo, binang aming masarap na pagkain.